All right, now on to photos. Before I get started here, a quick overview to get us grounded. At the very top, you have moments, gallery, albums, people, and favorites. Moments is really rad in that it curates your memories based on time and moments. So for example, here we have on this day, which is one of my favorites, it pulls up photos from this day or the nearest day to from years ago. And this is a really fun way to reminisce on photos or memories that, happened years ago that maybe you have already kind of forgotten about. You also have recent moments and then also moments found for you in which, we surface different images, and it's just kind of fun to reshuffle and look and just like see these like random memories that are being pulled from the entirety of your photo collection. You also have a gallery, which is really, it gives you the big picture, like all the photos and videos that you saved are here, and you have different ways to filter through. You have your albums, where you can group collections of photos. You have people, which uses face recognition to group photos by a person. So you can quickly find photos of a specific person. In this case, Mia. It pulls up all photos of Mia that I've uploaded. You can also, the OneDrive will like surface the people, but then you can go in and customize the names and also add. And then you have favorites, which has all the images that you favorited. So in the first demo search, or if you've ever tried to search for that one photo of you and a friend from your vacation years ago, or your kid at like, a school event also from years ago, that like the scrolling pain is real, which is why our search capability, our enhanced search capability is a really great way to search for your photos because it uses everyday language. So for example, I'm going to say Mia in the city, or I'm going to type Mia in the city, and it'll quickly, the top searches will be of Mia in the city. You can also ask it questions, or you can also search for images that are really in text. So for example, if you took photos of recipes or your license plate, you can also ask it questions. You can also just like ask it just like you normally speak. So in this case, for example, I know my mom shared a recipe of a scone, but I don't remember where I put it. So I'll just say, mom's scone recipe, and you'll see that that scone recipe is the one that popped up to the top of the search. You also see other images that are relevant, to your ask that will populate. I kind of like this because it also gives me the opportunity to rediscover memories that I forgot about and that are relevant to what you're searching for. The other cool feature that I personally love is our new restyle with AI feature. For example, and what this feature does, actually I'll just show you because it's really cool. So I have this photo of Mia. I'm going to click on restyle with AI. So I want to create a movie poster of Mia, and you'll see that by me clicking on that style, the prompt is automatically populated. In this case, the prompt is, asking OneDrive to create a 3D movie poster essentially. But I want to actually add it instead of like having it randomly put a title on it. I want the catchy creative title to be, well, it's actually not that creative, but Mia's Adventures. And then I'm going to submit it. And as the image gets, restyled, I'll just scan through the various like different styles that we currently have, which actually, we'll have new style drops coming up. So be able to make sure to, tune back to see, what new ones are available. So I really like the way that this turned out, but I think that Mia's blending in a little bit too much in the background with her blue dress. So I'm gonna ask her to change the color of her dress to red so that she pops a little bit more. But I'm really liking the way that this style has come out. It's super cute.
Really cute.
And so oh, there we go. This is great. All right, now this is supposed to be a movie poster, so I'm gonna ask it to prop it vertically, like a poster. And so a quick tip, while this is processing, a quick tip, the best photos to do this on is like this photo of Mia, which is clear, it's well lit, and that way you get, the best results because the output is only as good as like the input, right? And so here we go. It cropped it vertically. I'm going to save a copy. You can also download it to your local drive. Go back to our gallery and you'll see that the photo is saved in your gallery. And so another quick shout out again, like Restyle is something that recently came out. So we welcome any and all feedback so that we can continue to improve the product or that feature. And then also be sure to come back and check out what new styles, have dropped.
I'm very
Also,
interested in the tarot card one, Yvonne.
all right, well, should we try it? Should we try it real quick? Let's try it real
The
quick.
tarot, yeah, the tarot card restyle was calling to me.
Okay, we'll do tarot restyle. Let's see. But do you know much about tarot? Do you know what like which one you would want it to be incorporated into? Like what number or like what?
I don't. As long as it's not death, I'm okay. I don't really know what they. I don't know what the rest of them are. I just know one of them is like death. I just don't want that one.
Well, we'll see what it comes back with. The
Oh,
star
that's
fruit.
it.
That is so that is so cute.
That looks very hopeful. Good. Thank you.
All right.